Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Samsung Galaxy S10 here, and we're going to go ahead and use the telephoto lens. Now, take note with the telephoto lens, you can take photos and videos, but we are only going to do the photos, okay? So everybody knows the Samsung Galaxy S10 has triple cameras on the back. You have an ultra wide, a standard, and a telephoto, where you can zoom in up to 10x. Now, just take note that Samsung is not the only phone with triple cameras. You have the LG V40 that has triple cameras on the back with a telephoto lens as well. Same thing with the Huawei Mate 20. You have triple cameras here, and one of them is a telephoto lens as well. I'll do a comparison video with the S10 against those in another video because definitely there is a huge difference. All right, so let me go ahead and turn the camera on, and basically a shortcut to change between lenses is right here. So this middle one here is the standard, then over here is the ultra wide, and over here is in the telephoto. Even though the telephoto here starts at like 2x, you can go all the way in to 10x. So let's do this. I have some coins here. I have a penny here from the United States here. Let me go ahead and grab the S10 here. Let me put it on 1x first, okay? So it's on 1x right now. And again, here's the penny right here. We're gonna take a look at that penny right there, okay? So it's at 1x. Let me go ahead and move it over just like this. And now we see the penny right there. Now let me go ahead and put it to the, let me start using the telephoto lens. I'll go ahead and tap on that. And now we see that there. Now let me start slowly zooming in. There's 3.5, 7.5. We can go all the way to 10x. Now the thing is, I mean, you can kind of see when I start going in, the color of the penny kind of changes a little bit. Let me go back out. Kind of like changes, but I mean, look at that. Okay, look at this right here, and look at the penny over here. Let me go ahead and do this. Let me go back to 1x here. Let me go ahead and take a quick snapshot. Let me go ahead and go back to the telephoto lens, and let me go ahead and zoom in all the way to the max, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a photo right here. I'm gonna snap it right there. And now also let me do this. Let me just go to the 2x here, and let me take a photo here. And now let me just move into like 5.0, okay? So right there, let me go ahead and snap a picture right there. Now let's go ahead and view the photos on the phone. Okay, so I think this one here was 5x here, and we can zoom in here. And yeah, of course, it starts getting like a little bit faded. Wow, we can zoom in all the way. And you can kind of see the writing there a little bit as well. Let me start zooming out slowly here. And let's move to the next photo here. Okay, I think this is just that 2x right here. Okay, using a telephoto lens. And then let's go ahead and zoom into this penny right here. And I mean, it starts to get like a little bit blurry. But I think that's pretty much expected, right? And I mean, you can still clearly see the writing though, 1 cent. Now let's go over here. Now this is a 10x right here, and let's see how far we can like zoom in. Wow, we can get all the way into the letter N is right there. And of course it's going to get more blurry on here because we're already zoomed into the max. So these are the 3 photos that I just took right here. Why don't we go ahead and try one more thing? Can you guys read this from here? I definitely can't. Why don't we go ahead and whip out the S10 here, and let's move to the telephoto. Bam, right there. Okay, I can like read it now from here. I just can't read it all the way back there. Now let's start zooming in. Okay, you ready? Start going in. Okay, that's 10x right there. I'll take a snap right there. And you can see again how far that was. Let me go ahead and zoom in all the way on this photo as well. And you can see the .com right there. Well, there you guys go. Guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a comparison with the telephoto with these other 3 cameras. Let me show you what all these triple cams look like. Okay, so you have the LV V40, then you have the S10, and then the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Take a look at that. I mean, I can tell you right off the bat, like one of these phones, the telephoto lens absolutely suck. Okay, there's only 2 of these phones are pretty good, but there is a number 1 too, but you guys will find out on another video which one actually is top performing out of all of these. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.